In this video, I am going to guide about how to see previous trips on the Lyft app. This feature helps you track your ride history easily. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select the ride history or trips option from the menu. 4. A list of your past rides will appear with date and time. 5. Tap on any ride to see detailed information like pickup and drop-off locations. 6. You can also view the receipt and fare breakdown for each trip. 7. Use the filter or scroll to find older trips if needed. 8. To download a receipt, tap on the email or share icon. This feature helps you track your ride expenses easily. You can also use it to resolve issues with past trips. Make sure you are logged into the correct Lyft account.